Good morning. It's 5 in the morning. I'm just outside of London. I missed my connection yesterday, flying from Amsterdam to Spain. So I had to sleep in an airport hotel last night. It happens, but walking to the airport right now, about to catch my flight, and we will be on our way to Spain. I've never been there before, so I'm pumped. So cute. Oh my god, hi, Spanish queen. Hi. Hi. So I've made it to Malaga and I'm here visiting my friend Emma, who is very diligently focused on the road. We just picked up our rental car. We got the cutest little white Fiat 500 and we're going on a little road trip. We're right now going to Marbella to go to a vegan cafe because Emma is the queen of all things vegan. And then we're going to Tarifa for the night, and we'll see what happens. I'm here for 5 days. It's gonna be a lot of fun. First time in Spain. Super excited about it.
You killed it, you swine.
Good morning. So it's the next day and Emma always wakes up way earlier than I do, so she's already out of our Airbnb and at a cafe. So I'm about to go meet her for coffee and we're gonna do a little bit of a journaling session. It's kind of like a cold, gloomy day this morning, so I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna get up to. We're in Tarifa. It's super windy here, so it's not like the kind of place where you hang out at the beach because it's where the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea connect. So it's super windy, but also very beautiful. And now you see the wind. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. It's much later in the day now and we're back in Malaga. We've tried to do a few different things today. We tried to go to 2 or 3 different markets. Two? Two flea markets. And they were both closed because apparently it is a national holiday, which we just found out. So the city is a little bit quiet today, but we're gonna do the next best option, which is going to the beach. So can't complain about that.
Hi everyone, so
What did we just
to
do?
the beach.
We've just been to the beach.
We've just been to the beach, and it was, I look like your boyfriend right now.
Why? Because you're taller?
I'm just like, smile. So we've just been to the beach. Oh, don't.
And now
We're crossing the
gonna
road.
be hit by a car.
No, we're not.
We are walking to an art supply store to grab some supplies to do some crafts.
Yay.
Because we're gonna have a craft night and get cozy.
And we're gonna bake some bread.
Yeah.
Some sourdough.
And tonight's the full moon, so maybe we'll do something special for that.
A little cacao ceremony.
A little something
A
spiritual.
little something, yeah. Put the crystals out, get them charged up by the moon. Yes.
Good morning. So it's the next day and we stayed up really late last night crafting. Really wild Saturday night, but it was a lot of fun. We didn't even finish our first weave. It took so long. But I'm gonna link the YouTube video that we followed down below because it really worked and I'm really excited to see how our little wall hanger turns out. But yeah, this morning I decided to go on a little hike because there's hills just beside Emma's apartment. She was a little tired, so she hung behind. But I'm super excited to just be in nature for a little while. So we're just grabbing a coffee right now in this cute little coffee shop. I didn't really vlog anything else yesterday after our sound bath, but it was super peaceful and relaxing, so we just kind of had a chill day afterwards. And today is actually my last day here, unfortunately, but but earlier today we went to the local fruit and veg market and got some stuff to make dinner. Tonight we're just gonna make a cozy dinner at home and then
We're gonna go have a drink.
we're gonna go have a drink
In a terrace.
in a terrace.
With the sun.
Are we? Set?
Yeah.
I thought we were gonna have dinner and then go to like that poetry reading.
We are going to dinner, but I'm gonna take you to a nice place.
Oh, we got some surprises up in here. Alright, that's our day. Bye.